Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to set up a screen lock on the Nothing Phone 2a. So, in order to protect your data, go to your settings, here, scroll down to privacy and security section, here it is. So here, find your device unlock menu, tap on it, press set screen lock. So here you can choose among a few options. So for example, swipe, it would be a passwordless, just simply like swipe screen, pattern, pane, and password. So choose your preferable method. I'll choose a password for this one. Now set up your password. It must be at least 4 characters. I'll set up something simple. Press next. Confirm your password by entering it the second time. Press confirm. So here in this pop-up menu, you are to choose what do you want the lock screen to display. So all notifications, show sensitive content only when locked, or don't show notifications at all. So choose the one which would be suitable for your needs. I'll choose show all notification contact, press done. And now you've got your lock screen set, so let's try it out. Now when we will try to unlock our phone, we will need to enter a PIN. Press OK and we're unlocked. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.